What's up guys, Harsh here. So today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and my one of my friend bought it, so he already unboxed it. So it's a bit of a old unboxing video, but still I'm going to unbox it, and this is not an in-depth review, just a basic unboxing and some basic features of the tablet. So let's get started. Okay, so now let's unbox it and see what's inside. So once you lift the cover, you will find the tab itself, and it's wrapped in a paper bag thing. So let's keep it aside and see what else is in the box. And here, first of all, you get the first glimpse of the pen that you get with the tablet, and pretty nice, pretty silvery color. And then you have the charger itself. So this is a 16-watt charger, pretty small charger, but still gives a good performance for the tablet. And then here is the SIM ejector tool with some instructions inside the box that normally no one reads until it's required. Then you also get the Type-C USB charging cable with the box. So here it is, as you can see, pretty standard white colored cable and pretty short length. I mean, Samsung is always supplying short cables with that. So now let's take a closer look at the tablet. So I'll move these boxes aside and take out the tablet. So here's the tablet wrapped in here. So let's just take it out, and it's sticky thing over here to peel it out and take it out. So here's the tablet itself, and pretty slick design, and the pen is also a very smart thing that they have done in this. So it has a button on the top. So this can be used for a number of features, and the range is extremely high. I mean, if you are not near a tablet, then also you can control it very easily. So here's the tablet, as you can see, pretty thin bezels around the top, and it's similar to the iPad Air or the iPad, the newer iPad version that you have seen. So front camera, 8 megapixel simple camera, so nothing too special. And the back side has two cameras, one is 30 megapixel and one is 5 megapixel for the depth sensing. Now the sides are pretty similar to that of a smartphone. You have your speakers on left and right side, and this is a quad speaker setup, and you can see at the bottom there are 3 contacts for your keyboard connection, and this is a Type-C, so you can charge it via Type-C cable for fast charging. And here are the volume buttons and the power button, which is also used as a fingerprint sensor, and also the SD card slot. Now at the back of the tablet there is a plastic strip that can be used for the charging of the S Pen, and it's completely wireless process. And the S Pen can be placed in certain directions, but only the charging strip works. So the tablet is pretty thin, and it looks similar to the iPad Air. And sadly this tablet does not have a headphone jack, but you can see the antennas are all over the tablet. You can see around the corners, and they are everywhere, so you can get a very good connectivity out of them. Now you can actually create a bump with the S Pen, so you can create a slight bump to make it tilt so that you can easily type or see a video while it's lying flat on the table. And it's pretty hard to sometimes get the exact position for it. Here is the SD card slot. It can be pulled out by this pin over here that they have provided, thankfully. And this is a single slot tray, so you will only need to insert your micro SD card in it and nothing else, because this is a Wi-Fi only version. So it will only take one micro SD card slot and nothing else. Now this tablet comes built in with Samsung Text, so you can just activate it by going to the notification bar, and it will activate the Samsung Text. It is just a knockoff version of the Windows, I think. And as you can see, it just acts as a Windows machine, so nothing too good about or bad about it. So still a pretty good feature to have, but you will need a keyboard for a better experience. And going out of the text mode is pretty simple, just like the way it came in. And there are a lot of other features that we'll be discussing in the future videos of it. Now you can get out of the DeX mode by checking this button. So as you can see, the same process by which you can get into the tablet mode or in the DeX mode. And as you can see that these bezels are pretty thin, and the picture quality is pretty nice as well. So this tablet has one of the best screens in the tablet that you can find anywhere. So this tablet packs a very high resolution screen and high refresh rate as well. And you can clearly see the image quality, not on this particular shoot, but in real life you can clearly see how it performs. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it, and please subscribe our channel. That really helps us a lot. And share this video if you like it. And thanks for watching this video.